The same train that's sitting by the crew office last night. I see no cars coming. Sometimes the trains here like this, somebody will floor across the railroad crossing. I don't know. Okay, that's a certain move because the two CSXs are not on the front now. I go back to the tunnel, but the ice is so thick there right now and make a good video. It's only December 28th, so I got like quite a bit of time before that to do that. I come down here, I very rarely film from this spot. I'm always filming Main Street and Stay and Drive, so there's a nice morning to walk to a new spot. Well, technically it's not a new spot. I've filmed here before, just not recently. It's still cold out here. It's only like 30-something degrees. But it is getting warmer. It's supposed to be in the mid-50s, I think, the next couple of days. tubby. There's probably been multiple tubbies. I guess I got immune to it. I don't pay much attention anymore. There's the engines on the end. Okay, that's a fizzle. They got some kind of sensor boost. Last night, the crew office, I noticed when I was heading down the thumb in the film, they had all 5 engines on the front of the train, so they probably took the CSX engines off, put them on the track, on that little side spur where they keep the rjcorman engines that the crew always pulled the whole train forward and took the CSX engines back up the side spur connected to the back in the train. I think I've seen that move before. I wish I could have been down and get on video, but I didn't know they was going to do that. If I knew they was going to do that, it would have made a great video, but I didn't know they was going to do that.